In this tutorial, we will cover adding subtests in DataLink. DataLink provides the ability to create subtests within your assessment. Some institutions refer to this feature as embedded questions, but for simplicity, this tutorial will refer to this practice as creating subtests. When subtests have been entered and questions assigned to them, you will be able to view subtest data in the detailed item analysis and class roster reports available in the Excel export. To get started, you will need to load a key. Once your key is loaded into DataLink, open the key editor so that the changes can be made to the key. To add subtests, click on the subtest icon here. DataLink will default to having you use categories for your subtests. Categories will help you to further outline your subtests into better defined groups, but are optional. If you do not want to add categories, deselect the Use Categories option here at the top of the window. This will cause the category selection to be removed and only show the subtest section. If you deselect the Use Categories checkbox after already inputting categories and subtest information, you will lose any categories and subtests you have already created. If you do plan to use categories, click on the Add button here to assign a name to the category. Once you select OK, the category name will show in the window here. To the right of the window, you can select to add a subtest. Here you will name the subtest topics that are on the test. There can be multiple subtests added depending on the number of different topics or units that are being covered in the test. Click on the Add Remove Questions icon to assign questions to the appropriate subtest categories. You can limit the assigning of questions to a single subtest or allow a question to be assigned to more than one subtest. If you only want a subtest category to be assigned to a single question, mark this box here. This will restrict a question that has been selected and assigned to a specific subtest category from being available to select for another subtest. If you want to allow questions to be assigned to more than one subtest, unmark the box. Continue assigning questions to each subtest until you are done. You can view all the questions that have been assigned to subtests here. In this screen, you will also have the option to export your subtest information. This will create an Excel file that will show all the various subtests assigned to the key, along with the test question that was assigned to each subtest. This will provide an at-a-glance report to see the subtest groups, names, and assigned questions. When you have completed making selections in this window, click OK to apply the changes. Once all subtest information has been assigned, you will need to resave the key to ensure that the subtest settings are saved. From the menu bar, navigate to File and scroll down to Save Key. You can then resave your key with the newly assigned subtest. By doing this, the electronic key is now saved with the assigned subtests. Once subtests have been added to a test, you will see the results when you export the data to Excel. Those reports will look like this. For additional information on how to export reports to Excel, view our online tutorial on exporting reports. If you have additional questions on adding and using subtests in DataLink, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.